Hey guys, what's up? Have you ever had an instance where you completely record golden commentary for a video and it just happens to get corrupted? Well, I guess the only logical thing to do would be to re-record it, right? Do you take me for a scrub? Fox, take over. I'm done with this.
Wait, what? You're being serious?
Yup!
Looks like he really was serious. Cool. Welcome everyone to a video where I'm going to be talking about the process of a speed paint that I can't see. All I have to go on is the final image here, which I'm not gonna deny is pretty freaking awesome. But I'm going to make Skittles pull that up on screen right now. Why? Because continuity. Yay for editing influences and breaking the fourth wall. I'm also going to play the screaming charge in the Deerclops video again, because we need to go into this commentary with a war cry. Hit it, Skittles! So why don't we try to talk about what's going on screen? See that bit he's painting here? Just look at all the thought and detail he's putting into this area right now. I can really feel all the raw emotion emanating from it.
Wait, no. Freak! Down!
It's a true reflection of Skittles' skills.
This thing sucks!
He's been working on that technique for years. All that time he was on his mission, he was actually secretly training on the side, training relentlessly, meditating under waterfalls, fighting bears, perfecting the technique. It cost him an arm and a leg to do it. Well, a leg. That's how he really tore his leg. Not by any conventional ways like exercise. It was the forbidden art technique that only few have mastered. It's a double-edged sword. But the risk is worth taking for amazing art. Skittles is a brave man. What should be something as simple as like the brush tool or something? I mean, no part of Photoshop is to be underestimated at any point. Moving on, maybe I should talk about something I can see rather than using my outstanding foresight to predict what's on screen, which is quite frankly very easy to be backfired by Skittles in editing later. I'm on to you, Skittles. Don't think I don't know. I can see what you're trying to do. Let's talk about composition, because that's something I can actually see in the final result. No more of this wild stabbing in the dark. I'm pretty sure that's how Skittles killed Crow in the first place. Poor Crow never saw it coming. So, composition. That thing I said I was going to talk about. One aspect that Skittles has consciously or unconsciously kept in mind. Wait, he has like 5 different inner conscious or something. But anyways, one thing he's kept to is the golden ratio, and in this case it looks like he's focused on the grid version, and it's a method for creating more pleasing and natural compositions to the eye. We can see that if we divide this up, and by we I mean Skittles because he has the future visual editing power and not me, then we can see that the eyes of both Deerclops and the character who I can only assume to be Skittles are both resting perfectly on the horizontal lines of the golden ratio. In fact, the highlights of all 3 eyes are what perfectly line up with the guidelines. The top of Deerclops' highlights just ending on the horizontal guide, and eyes are one of the best focal points, so having the eyes rest on the golden ratio grid lines is very effective. I could be wrong though. It could be that Skittles just winged us and didn't consciously think of any of this. Which if he did, then he's got some really good instincts. Skittles has also kept most of the points in the center vertical section of said grid, and in fact most of the details are arranged in the vertical format, including the very obvious tall orientation of the canvas, which combined it gives quite a looming feeling to everything. I feel like I've been too serious for too long in that last bit. We should remedy that. So, Skittles has also laid it out in a way that Deerclops greedily takes up the majority of the canvas, whilst also surrounding the character using his arms, which most people would perceive as intimidation since he's taking up so much space and applying pressure. But Deerclops is a terribly misunderstood creature. He simply wants a cuddle and to show off his lovely fur that he's been preparing all year just for Skittles, and the sheer amount of space Deerclops is taking up is just to emphasize the size of the hug that Skittles is about to receive.
Hey Skittles, you're cold, aren't you? I knew you would be.
winter here is harsh. Come here and have a hug in my lovely fur that I've been preparing just for you, dear friend. You can also see that Skittles has paid very close attention to the details on Deerclops himself. For example, he kept Deerclops' monobrow and didn't fall for the temptation of giving him the conventional 2 eyebrows by forgetting that Deerclops has only 1 eye. Now I'm actually trying to think of how that would work. 2 eyebrows for 1 eye. Interesting. I would happily continue with my ramblings, but the video is coming to an end, so I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. It's been really fun doing this, and I hope you have all enjoyed the wonderful art and my on-point commentary. With Skittles' permission, I took this 100% seriously. Thank you, Skittles, for allowing me to do this. Collabs with you, no matter the context, are always hilarious. Well, thank yous for watching, and we shall see yous all next time. Bye! I just have to say that if this is Skittles, then it is very strange seeing him with such a thick beard. I've never even seen Skittles with stubble. My brain is having a hard time picturing this beard in Skittles. It's glorious, but it's taking every ounce of effort to think of.